Hey guys, National Info here. Today we're going to talk about 5 cool facts about space. Let's get started. Believe it or not, but a single day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. This is because it takes 243 Earth days for Venus to rotate all the way around its own axis once, whereas it takes 224.7 Earth days for Venus to travel all the way around the Sun. This is hard to comprehend, but I'll try to make it easier to understand. An Earth year is how long it takes the Earth to travel all the way around the Sun, so approximately 365 days. An Earth day is the time it takes the Earth to rotate around its axis. That means that a Venus year is the time it takes for Venus to travel around the Sun, and a Venus day is the time it takes for Venus to rotate around its own axis. A year on Earth and a year on Venus is sort of similar. It is 224.7 Earth days to 365 Earth days, which is understandable because Venus is closer to the Sun. The thing that is hard to understand is that it takes 243 Earth days for Venus to rotate around its axis just once, whereas it only takes 1 Earth day for Earth to rotate around its axis. Most likely, a tiny pebble will sink when you throw it into water, but if you threw the planet Saturn into water, it would float. This is because the pebble's density is more than the water's density, which is 1 gram per centimeter cubed. But Saturn's density, which is approximately 0.69 grams per centimeter cubed, is less than the water's density. Saturn's density is so low because it is made up of mostly gas. It consists of hydrogen gas and hydrogen in a metallic form. The core of Saturn is made up of water, methane, and ammonia. You may think that we have to deal with some extreme weather here on Earth, but wait till you see what other planets have to deal with. Venus has a temperature of 870 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. Neptune can reach winds as high as 1,600 miles per hour. Winds this high could flatten the Earth and obliterate cities like New York, London, Tokyo, Beijing, and Paris in a matter of seconds. Mars has an average temperature of negative 67 degrees Fahrenheit. And finally, Mercury has a ridiculous range of anywhere from 801 degrees Fahrenheit to negative 279 degrees Fahrenheit. The highest mountain or volcano in our solar system is the Olympus Mons, or Mount Olympus, which is located on Mars. Olympus Mons was formed during Mars' Hesperian period. It is a staggering 15.5 miles high, making it nearly 3 times higher than Mount Everest. The volcano is about the size of the state of Arizona. It is still unclear whether the volcano is active or dormant, but scientists believe that it is still very much active. We should also add that the height of Olympus Mons varies depending on where you count the base to start. If you shouted in space, even if someone was right next to you, they wouldn't be able to hear you. This is because there is no air in space. Basically, sound is vibrations in the air, and without air, there can be no sound. Now you may wonder how astronauts then speak in space. They can speak in their space shuttle because it has air so they can breathe, but they cannot speak outside of their shuttle. So you may ask, how do astronauts talk to each other while they're outside their spaceship? They use radio waves. And radio waves are not the same as sound waves. They are a type of electromagnetic radiation. Thanks a lot for watching. We'd appreciate it if you subscribed, commented and shared, and smashed that like button. Also, please share this video and our channel with your family, friends, and anyone else you think would enjoy it. Let's aim for 9 more subscribers, 14 likes, and 60 views. Keep learning. See ya!